Cut it flush to the plate.
It's got about a quarter.
Okay, jack it up, Red.
Wait, one more.
Welcome to the weblog at peterqbrown.com. In an earlier program I made about replacing this failing basement wall, I had discussed the decision to design a window wall and entry area as a replacement solution. The idea behind this repair project was to terrace the adjacent grade, allowing for a wall of lower level windows and a set of steps dropping down to a new exterior entry door. We had just enough room in the setback to fit it all in. In part 1 of these videos, we discussed the excavation, wall demolition, and the install of these new concrete walls and entry steps in this relatively tight space. Lowell Carey and Jason Smith of Oz Construction did a great job executing this part of the project. Everything went in as planned with no problems. One thing I didn't mention in the first video was the gutsy technical support structure that Jason created in order to support a 3-story building while removing and rebuilding this redesigned foundation system. Jason and I discussed the challenges and pitfalls at length during the design phase. It's one thing for my role as the designer to draw it up from an aesthetic and functional point of view, but quite another for Jason as the contractor to actually prep the project to make it all happen safely and without a disaster. I have a lot of respect for my peers in the field that do this type of work in a fearless and yet professional manner. The structural shoring that Oz Construction put up worked well. This allowed his crew room to put in the structural steel and wall framing that holds up the entire south side of the building. The completed wall replacement transforms the feel and functionality of this formerly dark basement. This new natural light will be a great improvement to this future finished apartment space. Thanks for taking the time to watch these videos. Check back to peterqbrown.com for more of this type of content in the future.